All right, well guys, today's kind of a sad day. It's a happy day in one way, because look at all these tires. These are 29.5 by 11 by 14 high lifter Outlaw 2s, and I've never seen these in person really before, but now that I have, these lugs are ginormous. Yeah, it's darn near a 3-inch lug almost right here, 2.5 back here, 2 3/4 probably. But big old lugs on these buggers. I got 2 sets. One's for another guy. It's 29.5 by 11 wides all the way around for him, and I went with 29.5 9.5s in the front and 11 wides in the back. So yeah, pretty sweet looking tires, but anyway, ignore them. Got them for a steal, guys. Absolute steal. Full set. I got my full set skinny wides for $200, and the set of all wides were $125, and that's not per tire. That is for all 4 of them. All 4 tires for $125. So the one place they bought out the distributor, they bought like 33 semi-loads full of these buggers, and then they're selling them dirt cheap. So I picked up a couple sets. I should actually get more, but it's a long drive to get to where they're at. Brings me to today's video. Let me shut the Can-Am off. I just got it warming up. Okay. That brings me to the sad part of today's video. Oh, let me zoom out here. So, the reason I'm making the video is I am selling my Polaris Sportsman 500 HO. Something I thought I'd probably never ever do. It's a beautiful machine. Really like it. I'm sure once it's gone, I am absolutely gonna miss it, because it's such a beautiful machine. These older Polarises, I really like them buggers. And I'm sure a lot of you guys out there do as well that follow my channel. Hopefully this doesn't drive you away from subscribing, because I will have more ATV content coming. But yeah, it's time for this one to go. I just don't use it enough. That's the problem. I bought it a few years ago with like 800 and some miles on it, and it's only got like 1,200 miles on it now, after like 6 years I think I've had it. So clearly I don't drive it enough. I used to use it for snow plowing, was the original reason I got it, and that's pretty much all I do, except for one ride in the summertime here or there. Now everything I do with the Can-Am. Can't argue with the Can-Am. But yeah, selling this bugger. Guy's coming to pick it up in about, well, 1 more hour. So yeah, but he's getting the plow ATV as it sits, and the stock tires. So I'm not gonna say how much, but yeah, he's getting a good deal on it. I'm happy, he's happy. We both met in the middle. So yeah, but I was gonna get this bugger backed out of here in a little bit. It's 50 degrees out today. Absolutely beautiful spring day, melting. Tomorrow, I'm not sure if you guys know, but tomorrow is a mega run going on in Winnipeg, or close to Winnipeg. So I am probably going to drive over to that, try and get some footage of everybody. Maybe meet Asta Cruiser, maybe meet Mitchell Matthews. If you don't know who that is, check out Adrenaline Off-Road and look up the Golden Cummins. He's got like a 20-inch lifted Cummins on 44-inch boggers. Just a crazy looking truck. A really cool looking truck though. But yeah, he definitely did it big. But that'll be tomorrow. I'm gonna try and go there and get some drone video and maybe some GoPro video, other video. I don't think I'll be bringing the trailer or wheelers with. I should, but it's kind of a long drive to get there. So don't really feel like hauling everything all the way over there. So yeah, kind of sad to see the old Polaris going, but it's got to go. It's kind of its time. So not much else to say. Eventually, will I replace it with another 4-wheeler? I might. More than likely, if I do, it'll be another Can-Am. But as of right now, I just can't justify having a second ATV sitting around not doing anything, because about the only time it gets driven is if a buddy comes over and then they drive it. So I'm not really driving it hardly ever at all anymore. So all right, that's enough for this video, guys. I gotta get ready. Guy's gonna be here in a little bit. I was debating going 11 wides on the Outlaws on that, but I talked myself into the 9.5 skinnies up front. That way it's not too much of a pain for turning them. But here's a 11 wide, here's a 9.5 wide. There's a little difference. I should dig them out. I'll do that and then I'll check back with you. All right, guys, can you tell the difference? The one on the right is a 9.5. The one on the left is an 11.5. So you can definitely tell this one is skinnier. Yeah, I don't think I need that wide of, I don't think I really need that wide of a tire on the front. It's a big freaking meat, man, with those lugs on there. God, is that big. But I'm gonna measure them with tape measure and stuff too. But all right, guys, we'll catch you later. Thanks for being a good four-wheeler. Hate to see you go, but hopefully you'll find a better home. The guy's he's got a son, so he's gonna use it with his son. So it's going to a good home. So that is one thing I'm happy about. So getting somebody else into the sport, gonna enjoy ATVing and off-roading just like the rest of us. So all right, guys, we'll catch you in the next video. Later.